Welcome. In front of me is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this tablet through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. From here, you will navigate down to General Management. I'm going to scroll down to Reset and then Factory Data Reset. Now, because this is Samsung, we will need to skip kind of like all the logic here. So for reset, you need internet connection. If you're outside of your home and you don't have internet connection, well, too bad you can't reset your device, because for the most part, you will need to provide your account to sign out of your Google, or more precisely the Samsung account. Now, you might be wondering why, when you already access the device by providing a pattern, and that's how you are in the home screen. And to that I have, no answer to you, especially considering when you press on reset, which is what you need to do, it tells you to draw the freaking pattern. And then it shows you a middle finger and tells you, provide us with the verification. So in this case, it's not even telling me to sign out, it's telling me to send an email, which is even more annoying. Luckily, it actually opens it up, which is pretty nice. So let's see. Guess I just have to press right here. So it says continue. So it's telling me to return to the app, okay. And as you can see, it's now beginning the process. Now, it is stupidly convoluted that you need to do this, but it is a requirement for some reason. Once you have gone through hoops to verify that you are you, because pattern is not enough, the device will begin shutting down. And from there, it's going to begin resetting itself. Once it's finished, we should then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible on my device. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.